In today's video, I'm going to teach you here's how to do competitive analysis using Semrush for free. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can quickly understand what matters and how to use it to improve your SEO strategy. Start by logging into semrush.com with a free account. Once you're in, look at the top search bar. Type your competitor's domain exactly as it appears in the browser, then press enter. This takes you to the domain overview page, which is your snapshot of how that site performs in search. At the top, pay attention to the authority score. This is Semrush's way of estimating the overall strength and trustworthiness of a domain based on factors like backlinks and traffic. Higher isn't automatically better for your niche, but it does signal stronger visibility and link equity. Next, check organic traffic. This is an estimate of how many visits the site gets from search each month. You're looking for trends and scale here, not perfect precision, because estimates can vary, but the direction is useful. Scroll down to referring domains and backlinks. Referring domains shows how many unique websites link to your competitor, which is often more telling than total backlinks because it indicates breadth of endorsement. Backlinks count the individual links pointing to the site. On a free plan, some of this data is limited, but even a partial view helps you understand whether the competitor's strength comes from a wide variety of websites or a few heavy hitters. Keep scrolling to organic keywords. You'll see a limited list of the keywords your competitor ranks for. Note the topics, intent, and any key phrases that are highly relevant to your business. Even with fewer rows, you can spot themes, content gaps, or opportunities to target similar terms. If you see the top pages section, open it to find which pages drive the most traffic. Look at the page types and topics that perform best. This helps you understand what format and subjects attract searchers in your space. Now compare what you see here with your own domain's metrics. Consider where the gaps are: authority, traffic, referring domains, or keyword coverage. This isn't about copying, it's about identifying what's working for them so you can prioritize your next moves, whether that means building more relevant links, expanding content on proven topics, or refining pages that already have potential. That's how you do competitive analysis in Semrush using a free account. Compare top metrics and keywords to improve your SEO strategy. Subscribe for more tutorials.